This is a remote car starter solution from JML Audio of St. Louis. This is a 2015 Audi A8L. There's two different methods in which we are available to start this vehicle. The first method is using the factory remote control here provided by Audi. We remap into the original factory remote control starting sequence. So in this case, when we hit basically the lock button a number of sequences, this will send a command out to the vehicle, and then you will see the car will remote start here. In the winter to pre-warm and in the summer to pre-cool. We can also shut down that system via the factory remote control. Factory remote range would be the exact same range as your factory keyless entry will work. Another method in which the system supports is an expansion. That expansion in this case is for smartphone control. So whether you're using an iPhone or Android phone, this allows us full control of that. So we can basically send a command to, in this case, unlock the car. We can also send a command in this case to lock the car. Lastly, we can send a command to remote start the vehicle. Now keep in mind when we start this is unlimited on range, because as long as your car is anywhere in the United States and you are anywhere in the world, you can basically send this command. Send a command out to the car. When the car successfully starts, you'll get a countdown time, and it'll begin to pre-cool at that point. You'll see it start here in just a moment. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call anytime, 636-343-2020, or you can send us an email through our website, which is simply jmlaudio.com. Thanks so much. Have a great one.